This is LLMs.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. A new shockwave is hitting the tech landscape. A Bayesian startup just released a model that is rewriting the rules of the AI capital cycle and dragging the crypto markets down with it. Moonshot AI has unleashed Kimi K3. This is a 2.8 trillion parameter mixture of experts model that just took the top spot in frontier coding from Claude and GPT. It is not just a technical win because Kimi K3 is open weight, it shatters the assumption. This has triggered what traders are calling a Kimi moment. The fallout is hitting where you least expect it. Bytecard is no longer just a digital store of value. It is now trading as a leveraged bet on the AI infrastructure cycle. When a free Chinese model proves that cutting-edge coding is becoming a commodity, the semiconductor trade unwinds, and Bitcoin falls right along with it. As the brains of these models become more accessible, the real battle is shifting to the hands. We are seeing a rush to build the plumbing that lets AI agents actually execute real-world tasks. It allows agents to search restaurants and pay for orders without a human ever touching the app. But autonomy requires trust. 1Password is tackling this with a zero-exposure security framework for Claude. It lets agents authenticate into websites without the model ever seeing the plaintive password. Even the compute is evolving. Google is deploying Axion processors to run untrusted AI-generated code in isolated environments. This is the new stack for the agentic era. If agents are going to handle our shopping and our logins, they need a native way to move money. Robinhood is betting big on this by launching its own Klecker. It is an Ethereum Layer 2 on Arbitrum designed to bring 10 million retail users into on-chain finance. While Robinhood focuses on the user, the SBI Group is building a cross-border digital asset empire across Asia, tokenizing everything from equities to real estate at the same time. The European Central Bank is preparing the digital euro. They are treating it as a public-private partnership to ensure the shift to digital cash does not leave the most vulnerable behind. The infrastructure for a machine-to-machine economy is being laid in real time. We are moving from a world of chatbots to a world of autonomous actors. The Kimi moment shows that the intelligence layer is commoditizing faster than anyone expected. Now the true value is migrating toward the secure authentication layers and the digital payment rails that allow these agents to function in the real economy. This was the LLMs.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.